wanted to show you the final result. Those are the new wheels. See, I got put the chains back on, and they look way better than they did. Need cleaned up a little bit, but there they are. Yeah, it's running good, the old John Deere. Pretty cruddy, but anyway, we got some work to do with it around here. And then it's probably going to go back to my brother's because I don't have room. This was the plan. My big trailer goes there, smaller trailer there, and the boat there. I might put the boat over here, I don't know, because I have a wall. And well, we'll see. It fits real nice right there, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, yeah, I figured everything up price-wise, what it came to get those two wheels and remove the old tires, sandblast them, paint them, and then have the new ones mounted with, they put windshield washer fluid in them instead of calcium chloride, because the calcium chloride, if you get a hole in the tube, it tends to leak and rots out your rim. That's what happened to the old one. So anyway, we did all that, and it came to about $1,000. So it's pricey, but the tractor was saved. I mean, before those wheels were going to just be bad. Let me show you. I'm going to take it and show you the old wheels. I saved them, and I want to try to sell them. The one wheel was not real bad. The other one was toast. So, but I saved them both, and oops, I got the radio on. So, hold on. Alrighty, here's the wheels. This is the one that's not real bad. You know, they need sandblasted and cleaned, and right where the valve goes through, it was kind of rusty right along there. But take a look at this one. Yeah, this one was shot. Look at that hole in that thing. And yeah, pretty much the whole rim is toast. You know, I don't know if a guy could, you know, put metal in there, cut that out and put new metal in. That's why I thought I'd sell them as a set, and see if somebody is looking for those waffle rims. They're for sale, and because you can't find them, you just can't find them. So, but anyway, that's what we got. I got to put the tractor away and get the truck in here. Tomorrow, I've got delivery coming for all the parts for my bed. I'm basically going to make a new bed. I've got sides coming. I already have a front panel. I've got a tailgate, all the wood, all the strips. The only thing that I might save off of these are the cross members, because I didn't order those. So, but we'll see. And that's going to be a future project too, is kind of getting that thing together. I'd like to get everything in epoxy primer, just so we don't get any kind of surface rust on it. So, but that's kind of what's going on here. I haven't done anything with the truck because winter is coming, and I'll show you what I've been doing. Snowmobiles are next. They got to come out, but yeah, we've been filling up the wood shed, and this is the first year that I've really bought wood. In the past, it's like I always found it and cut it, split it, but I just failed to do it this last summer. It was too hot. So this year I found a guy that gives me some pretty decent wood. This stuff right here, this is all seasoned wood, split wood, and so I can get this trailer, which is a 16-foot trailer, I can get that really full. I mean, it'll be up, oh, the sides are 1 foot. I can get the pile about 3 foot high up, you know, pretty much the entire trailer for $100. And so you can't beat that price. And he loads it for you. You got a tractor, he loads it with you, and I just have to bring it home and stack it. So I'm thinking about getting one more load and finish it all up. We'll be able to. I now have plenty to fill up the woodshed with another load, and I'll probably have some left over. So anyway, that's all we've got. So thanks for watching and subscribe.